Hey there, I'm Laura, and here's a quick Zapmail product demo. Let's take a look at what we'll be covering in this video. We'll introduce you to Zapmail and show you what it's all about. Next, we'll dive into sending and receiving emails. We'll also take a look at how you can organize your emails. Then, we'll explore the power of channels. We'll also look at how you can edit your settings and talk about the support options available to ensure you have the assistance you need whenever you need it. So let's get started and discover how Zapmail can simplify your team communication. Zapmail is a collaborative email service designed for teams like yours. Here, all your conversations and attachments are organized under contacts and channels. To begin using Zapmail, go to auth.zapmail.app and log in with your username and password. You can do this on any browser, but I recommend downloading the Zapmail mobile app, which is available on both iOS and Android. Once you're logged in, you're all set to send and receive emails from anyone, whether they're part of your company or not. Let's dive into the product now. To send an email, simply click on Compose and enter their email address. CC if needed and write your message. If you want to refer another email, you can do by stacking your draft to the right bar and continue drafting your email. In Zapmail, all your emails are sorted into conversations under contacts and channels. The focus space is like a VIP section for your important conversations. You'll find emails from people within your workspace or those you've saved as contacts. All the other emails will go to the general space. It's a neat way to stay organized. To save a contact, click on the top bar of the profile and click on Save Contact. Notifications in your sidebar make it clear where your attention is needed and where there's new activity. A quick reminder to keep your mobile notifications turned on to get instantly updated. Zapmail Channels makes it easier for people to work together, a dedicated space for anything you need. Create a channel by clicking here and adding the members. You can have discussions, share files, which makes it easy to be on track and get more context. Find all your attachments and subjects easily on the side. You can also react to messages with emojis and reply inside subjected threads. Let's talk about customizing your profile. Head over to Settings and edit your profile name and other details. You can also customize your email signature the way you want. We care about your experience with Zapmail. So click on this icon. Report any issues you may face, give us feedback, and even vote on features in our roadmap. There you have it, a quick start guide to Zapmail. If you need more help, just drop us an email to support@zapmail.app. We hope you're as excited as we are about the power of collaborative email. Let's get started today.